Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. For today's video I have this amazing look for New Year's Eve. So if you want to recreate it, please keep on watching. I'm gonna start using this palette by Bad Habit. This one, it is the Luna. You know, this is the dupe for the Anastasia Beverly Hills Norvina palette. It is so pretty. So I'm gonna start with this light pink shade. It is so pretty. It has a kind of sparkles, but you can use it as a transition shade because you can notice that the sparkles. Then I'm gonna use this maroon shade, it's light brown shade. It's so pretty. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do. I'm trying to do it like a halo, something like that. Then I'm gonna pick this light brown and this dark brown shade to intensify the look. Then I'm gonna use this pencil by L'Oreal as a base. Then I'm going to diffuse with this makeup kit brush. This is the Ardel. Then I'm gonna use this shade, but when I start applying this shade, I noticed that it's not so vibrant as I wanted. So I decided to use another pigment which is really violet and will be much better with this look. Then I apply these Amazon pigments that I love, you know. Then I use this violet pencil and I underline my waterline. Then I use these two shades, this one and these pinky shades. They are so vibrant and really pretty. I use it both on my inner corner. And also I picked up the same shade to highlight my brow bone area. And I also took this shade to clean all my brow bone area too. Then I did use this mascara, these lashes, and I'll be back. Then I contour my face with this BH Cosmetics contour palette. Then I apply blush, highlighter, and my lipstick. And the last step is setting spray by Milani. And as you can see, this is the final look. I hope you like it, this super extra makeup that I did for you to the end of this year, and see you in the next year. Bye.